Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make darts out of this kit that I got at my local Rockler.
The first thing we're going to do is turn down our blank to make it round. This can take a while, so we're going to skip ahead a little bit. Here's our final shape. We're going to sand a little bit, and then we're going to do a little bit of wire burning to give these a little bit of extra grip. Here I'm just using a marking tool to mark all the way around the blank so that the wire will fit in for the wire burning. Since I'm making 3 of these, since it's a set of darts, I did all of these at the same time so the marking gauge isn't going to get used on another project or something like that. I would just go through mark one, mark the other, and just keep going. And here we are wire burning. We're just going to go through and get our wire into each of those little notches that we created. And then there are 3 wires in the kit, at least that I got. You just go up and gauge until you're satisfied with how it looks. After I finish wire burning, I sand everything down to 600 grit and then add a CA finish. I'll leave a link to my video on CA finishes in the description if you guys want to watch that. However, I did cut it out of this video just to save a little bit of time. Now we're going to assemble these. I cut a little bit of this out. It's basically like assembling the pen. The big difference is there's a little bit of weight that they add that you stuff in the tube. And so you want to weigh all these darts out and make sure that they're the same. I pretty much filled them all up all the way. Dave, who I was making these for, wanted them as heavy as I could get them, pretty much within being legal for him to play with. So this is sped up and cut out a little bit, but just make sure you're weighing everything out and make sure that they all weigh the same. And here we go. Here they are. These are all cherry handmade darts. They are custom made for Dave over at the Wolf's Den. If you guys want to order darts, you can submit an order request on our website, or I might make another set soon and put them up there. If you guys like this video, leave us a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.